Hey there guys, welcome back to another video of all things Apple Plus. I wanted to give you guys just kind of an update on an amazing program, dr.fone. If you've never heard of it, this is an amazing program that will allow you to recover old data from your phone. If you needed to transfer data from between your phone or to your computer, repair your iOS system, or erase data, this is just an amazing tool that will do all those things for you and just is a great have-to tool on your PC or your MacBook. So now I currently have it installed on my MacBook, and I wanted to give you guys just a quick overview on the whole program and just kind of go between each of these different features that are within the actual program itself. So if you notice here, we have the repair your iOS system. So if you're currently locked, or if you're currently on a black screen, or if you're on, a reboot, you can repair your OS system from there. You can permanently erase data from your phone. So if you're trying to sell your phone, you can get rid of it right then and there. I think it's an amazing tool to have, especially if you're in the midst of trying to get rid of your device, or you're selling your device, or turning your device in. You can do that. Now also with the system repair or fixing your OS, if you're stuck again in a boot loop or stuck in the Apple logo, or if you're on a black screen of death, you can go ahead and hit that start button. Make sure that your phone is plugged in and that you have iTunes turned off, and then it will give you the step-by-step instructions on getting your iDevice into Dfu mode. So if you have an iPad, iPhone, it will work for everything, all the way up to the iPhone X, XS, and XS Max running on iOS 12 to 12.4. Now going back real quick, we have the whole recover feature, we have transfer features. Let's actually go into the recover section here. And as we're in the recover section, you'll notice that we can connect our device to our Mac or to your PC, and if you need to back up your file, or if you need to restore your device, iTunes has automatically saved your backups, so they will show in this field right here, and all you'll need to do is just back up from there, and it's pretty easy. And I think it's honestly it's a great tool. It's a great spare tool to have alongside iTunes as well too. And one of the other cool things is that you can actually unlock your screen. So if you pay and you actually get a key code for this feature, you can actually unlock your phone screen. So if you may have forgotten the passcode, this is a great tool to have, just so that way your phone can never, for whatever reason, if you've locked your phone out and can't get into it, this is the best way to get into it. Now, navigating over into their website, you can see that they have an amazing layout on their website. And then I'm gonna actually scroll down and show you guys the different features. Again, of course, this is just to it's really having a hospital in the midst of just on your PC or on your MacBook, and I think it's just well worth it. It has so many features, so many things that you can fix on your iDevice. It's just insane how much is available for you. iPhone Bootloop, when your phone's frozen, if it keeps restarting, if you have problems, even like people that are stuck in just this boot loop. If you've jailbroken and you've boot looped your phone, this is a great tool to have to be able to fix that. And again, if you want to pay for this service, you can go ahead and do that, and they'll give you a code which will allow you to unlock those different features, whether or not you needed to recover, or if you needed to unlock your phone, or if you needed to repair or erase data, you can do that. There are different trial versions within each of those different applications that you can use. And like, for example, the erase, you can erase different features from your phone. But if you want to enjoy the full feature of erasing completely everything off your device, you can also buy that code and install, or load up that code, and it'll erase everything for your device too. Now, real quick, just the other different features I didn't get a chance to real quick to go deep into. There's the switch data, where you can switch from one phone to another. There's backup and restore, again, unlock, and then you can restore social media applications to your device, or if there's if there's messages that you've had in the WhatsApp or Line or Kik or whatever, or what have you, you can get those messages back with this application, because every time you've plugged it in your phone, it will save and it will back up all your data too. So I think it's really cool. All you need to do is just make sure that you hit the download button on the very bottom, as you notice right there, as you highlight the actual application. Go ahead and hit that download button, and then you can go ahead and start your progress from there. Now, after you finish downloading the actual application, whether you want to switch, backup, or restore your social media text messages, go ahead and double click on the application again, and it will go ahead and start the process accordingly from there. But I hope you guys did like this video. If you guys did, please like, comment, subscribe. Check out dr.fone, check out their website. Links will be in the description down below. Peace.